Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to edit the search engine in Chrome on your PC. If you want to customize your search experience, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch your Chrome browser by clicking on its icon. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Chrome settings page. Step 4. Click on Search Engine from the left-hand menu. This will open the search engine settings. Step 5. Click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search to access the search engine management options. Step 6. Next to the search engine name you want to edit, click on Edit. This will allow you to modify the settings of the selected search engine. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy browsing.